Simple papaya coconut curry recipe, usually served along with rice for best taste. Let's move to the video. In a cooker, take 2 cups of papaya pieces, add 1 sliced onion, 3 green chili slits, half teaspoon salt, add required water to cook the papaya. Mix it well. Close the lid and cook for 1 whistle on medium flame. After 1 whistle, switch off the flame. Keep it rest for 20 minutes. In the meanwhile, we can make the coconut mixture. In a grinder jar, take 1 cup of grated coconut, then add 4 shallots, half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon red chilli powder, half teaspoon cumin seeds, some water. Grind it into a paste form like this.
If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and support. To receive latest video notification, don't forget to enable bell icon.
After 20 minutes, we can open the lid. Papaya has cooked well. Now add the grinded mixture to it. Then add 1 cup of warm water used to wash the jar. Also add half teaspoon salt. Mix it well. Switch on the flame and cook for 2 to 3 minutes on low flame. While cooking, keep stirring it continuously. Also careful not to boil it. In a pan, take 2 tablespoons oil and heat it. When the oil is hot, add 1 teaspoon mustard seeds and wait until it sputters. Then add 4 red chillies cut into halves, 8 sliced shallots, 1 sprig of curry leaves. Mix all together. Cook for a minute. Now add this on top of the curry. Don't stir it now. Close the lid and wait at least 10 minutes before stirring. After 10 minutes, we can stir it well. Our simple papaya coconut curry recipe is ready. Usually served along with rice for best taste. If you are making in this quantity, you can serve it for 4 to 5 portions.
Before skipping, please consider subscribing to my channel. Click here to watch the most recent video. I hope you will really like it. Click on top for non-vegetarian recipes or click below for vegetarian recipes. For all other interesting videos like snacks, South Indian recipes, North Indian recipes, desserts, drinks, please check the description box below.